Hello everyone, my name is Agnesien. Now, I will explain a little about the nature of language. What is language? Language is a system of conventional spoken, manual, or written symbol by means of which human beings, as members of social group and participants in its culture, express themselves. The function of language include communication, the expression of identity, play, imaginative expression, and emotional release. According to Henry Sweet, language is the expression of ideas by means of speech sound. Combined into words, words are combined into sentences. This combination answering to that of idea into the thoughts. The structure of language. All languages have underlying structural rules that make meaningful communication possible. In structure of language, there are 5 main components of language. That is eponyms, morphemes, lexemes, syntax, and context. Along with grammar, semantics, and pragmatics, these components work together to create meaningful communication among individuals. First, phonemes. A phoneme is a basic unit of phonology. It is the smallest unit of sound that may cause a change of meaning within a language, but that doesn't have meaning by itself. Second, morphemes. Morphemes, the basic unit of morphology, are the smallest meaningful unit of language. Thus, a morpheme is a series of morphemes that has a special meaning. If a morpheme is altered in any way, the entire meaning of the word can be changed. Some morphemes are individual words, such as eat or water. The third, lexemes. Lexemes are the set of inflected forms taken by single word. And the last, syntax. Syntax is a set of rules for constructing full sentences out of words and phrases. Every language has a different set of syntactic rules, but all languages have some form of syntax. Function of language. Language is expressive. Verbal communication helps us meet various needs through our ability to express ourselves. In terms of instrumental needs, we use verbal communication to ask questions that provide us with specific information. Expressing observations. When we express observations, we report on sensory information we are talking or haven't taken in. Expressing thoughts. When we express thoughts, we draw conclusions based on what we have experienced. In the perception process, this is similar to the interpretation step. Expressing feelings. Expressing feelings. When we express feelings, we communicate our emotions. Expressing needs. When we express needs, we are communicating in an instrumental way to help us get things done. Since we almost always know our needs more than others do, it's important for us to be able to convey those needs to others. Okay, that's all I can explain about the nature of language. I hope my explanation can be understood clearly. Thanks for watching my video.